Outdoor cooker assembly for King Kooker multi-purpose portable propane outdoor double burner cooking cart. Tools required: screwdriver, adjustable wrench, leak testing solution. Before assembling, check that all cooker components are included in the shipping carton. Identify these cooker parts from the assembly drawing. Accessories such as pots may vary according to model. Check the list of accessories on your cooker box. The following parts are considered essential and should be included in your package regardless of model number: cooker stand, cast burners, LP hose and regulator. Read assembly instructions and understand sequence of assembly before commencing to assemble your cooker. Fry basket handle assembly. Required tools: adjustable wrench and screwdriver. Attach the handle by inserting bolts through the supplied holes on the basket and handle. After reviewing assembly instructions, go to the Use and Care section of the manual for further instructions. Place top half of unit on bottom half of unit. The crossbar of top frame should be located on same side as U-clips located on the bottom frame. Insert 4 bolts through the holes in top and bottom of the unit. Wrench tighten with supplied lock washers and nuts. Insert the axle through the holes located on the bottom half of the unit. Place a washer over each end of the axle. Place the wheels over each end of the axle and tighten with supplied washers and nuts. Attach the cylinder heat plate onto the crossbar using 2 bolts. Wrench tighten with the supplied lock washers and nuts. Insert the threaded ends of the cylinder collar into the crossbar. Wrench tighten with the supplied lock washers and nuts. Attach the tank ring to the bottom half of the unit using the U-clips, which are welded to the outside of the frame. Tighten the hose fittings into the venturis with a wrench, up to a torque of 95 to 105 pounds per square inch. Alternatively, hand tighten securely and then using a wrench, tighten an additional 1 to 1.5 turns. Before lighting the cooker, read and follow page 14 in your instruction manual and watch our safety in use video. Always read and understand the entire instruction manual before using your King Kooker outdoor cooker. Thank you for your business, and thank you for using King Kooker outdoor cooking products.